Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we're going over our BSTC egg sandwich, everybody. Granddaughter is having a recovery stages of her shoulder surgery, and we already did part 1, so you guys might want to go check that out, how we built this beautiful egg sandwich. Now, this is something that's nice and hearty. You can make it home, and it's well worth your money instead of spending all that money at the fast food places. Now, here we go. Let's get it. All right, you guys. So I forgot to mention, when we put it in the microwave for the minute, everybody, we put the top on, as here, as you see. Now it's done. It's been in there for a minute. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, everybody? So nice and green and yellow. Okay, so now we're going to, this is the trick to this. We're going to put this back on. And watch this. We're going to flip it over. Whoa! Even the kids can do it because it's not even hot. This is not even hot, everybody. You can hold this by the handles and you flip it over. And then watch this. Watch this. This is the best part. I love this part. Oh, look at that. Look at that egg wedge. See that right there, everybody? Look at that. See that? It's like magic, everybody. So now what we're going to do, some people like their yolk undone, so they can go ahead and stop here if they want. You know, if they want it to be runny and all that other stuff. But we like our eggs cooked up in here, okay? So it's almost done. That's like maybe almost like a hard-boiled medium. But we're going to put this in the microwave for another minute. All right, now it's been 1 minute extra for the other side. I'm just going to take this out. Be careful now. This is when you guys really make sure the kids are supervised because it's steamy, okay? Look at this. See that? Wow, look at that, everybody. It's a perfect egg wedge. I love this. Okay, so now you guys remember we seasoned it on the other side. That's enough seasoning. You don't need it on both sides. Now we're going to finish up our sandwich here. And we're going to add on some extra spinach. Ooh, yeah, you're going to get some more iron. Okay, and here we go. I'm going to put this over here. Oh, no, put it on this side, actually. Okay, and then, see that? Nice greens. And then we're going to add some tomatoes over here. I chopped up a little extra tomatoes. Yes. And we're going to put the tomatoes on the sandwich. There and right here. Okay. Now, you want hot sauce on there today? Nah, no hot sauce. Okay. Well, we ain't gonna do no hot sauce today. Yeah. So this is how we do it. Now, the voila finish is the egg. We're gonna put the egg. Gonna flip the egg over here on the sandwich like this. Here we go. Look at that. Ooh, cheesy, mixed sneezy. Look at that. And go with the egg over here. Just a little make it centered. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, everybody? You can make your own sandwich the healthy way. You can put all kinds of stuff. You can put kale. You can put spinach. You can even put collard greens if you want to, everybody. I'm telling you, you can do your own kind of egg sandwich. Now, how much would a sandwich like this be if you went to a drive-thru? Oh my goodness. I'll say about $9. But you're probably right because bacon is so expensive. But actually, you get real bacon. You get full-size bacons that you like to have and that you need. You know, that this is what I'm talking about. You're spending $5 for a little sandwich at the local restaurants, and it's be like, what the heck? You still hungry? You have to order 2 of them, then you're paying like $8 or $10. You know, that's just crazy. And you don't even have coffee yet. You know, so anyway, everybody. This is how we did the sandwich. I just want to show you guys very simple and delicious. Everybody, you can have your own sandwiches and you can place your bread on top of that and cut it in half for her. But otherwise, you can eat it whole. You can add hot sauce. You can add salsa. Whatever it is, it's more healthier because you made it yourself. Okay, everybody? The bread we have here is the thick bread, like buttermilk bread. We like the buttermilk sliced bread. So this even makes it better. I'm hungry. Okay, let me go on and feed her. All right, you guys. So you guys like what you see? Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And follow us on YouTube for a lot more. We have a lot more coming soon, everybody. We appreciate all the love you guys done for us and all that good old stuff. So just make sure you guys follow us. And we also have our cookbooks available on Momma Soul Kitchen. That's MOMMA Soul Kitchen on Amazon.com. Yes, we do. And we have the Just Desserts Child as well. That just for sweet tooth only. That's available on Amazon.com. All right, you guys. So we love you. Thank you guys for watching. Let's go ahead and get this sandwich on here so we can eat. Okay? All right, you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye, you guys.